Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I thought it'd be so much fun to bring you guys along with me in a day in my life vlog. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I am doing daily videos for the month of September. You don't want to miss out. I just uploaded a Talkative Tuesday, which would be yesterday's video. So definitely go check it out. I will insert a card, but I mentioned how I got a vanity in my room. So I'm going to share with you guys what I'm wearing real quick, but then I want to show you guys my new vanity because I am so excited and obsessed. Alright, so this is my outfit. I thought it'd be fun to wear a dress today. It definitely is pretty warm here, so this is a great fall transition outfit. This dress is from Vineyard Vines. I have my little Kelly necklace on. Absolutely love it. Then I just have on some riding boots. These are from Tory Burch. I think it's so cute. It's such a fun way to make a dress perfect for fall, but I want to share with you guys my arm candy stack. I have on two Lily and Laura bracelets, my new pearls that I got for my birthday, and this gold chain. And then I just have a little silver ring. Then I have on my new Apple Watch band, and I recently just got my nails done. Aren't they so pretty? They're like a baby pink. It was a nice change of pace. I also made the decision to start wearing my Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume every day. Oh my gosh, this is like the perfect fall perfume. Over the weekend, I cleaned and dusted everything on my shelf. Oh my gosh, I want to do like an updated what's on my shelf tour. It is seriously just the perfect fall scent. It smells so good. I don't know why it screams fall to me, but it does. I would love to know in the comments down below what perfume you wear during the fall. If you switch it up, let me know. I love chit-chatting with you guys, and I do read and respond back to every single comment. But now I want to share with you guys what my vanity looks like. So this is what it looks like when you guys walk into the room. If you guys remember, my floor length mirror used to be here. I'll update you guys where that is now, but I have my Babe Cave sign there, and then this is just the desk. My mirror is from IKEA. I really want to get one of those big mirrors that light up. Then I just have my ring light right here because I did film yesterday's video. This is so cute. So this is like a little acrylic tray guy. It has a handle, but I put some palettes, all my makeup brushes, and my mascaras in here. Mirror, and then these flowers I got for my birthday. They're so gorgeous. My roses were kind of dying, but I just think it looks so pretty. And then this drawer, I need to organize it, has eyelashes in it. And then we have this drawer, which is kind of organized. I wanted a makeup vanity tour, but I got these little containers from Target. They were $10 for all of them. So if you guys have any of the IKEA desks, they fit perfectly in here because I have the same ones at my computer desk, which is awesome. And then I just will bring my chair and sit here. I love it. It makes me so happy to do my makeup here. So I just set up my tripod at my vanity, and this is what it looks like. I think it's so stinking cute for a filming background, but also it's so practical because I want to start making makeup tutorials and videos again. I know you guys really like that, but personally I think it's so much fun, and it's like one of those little hobbies I have within my hobby. So I have all my makeup laid out. It's gonna be so perfect. I love sharing those little quick makeups on my Instagram and TikTok. I filmed yesterday's video in this same spot, and in the video I had my floor length mirror that was right there over there, and I was like, I don't know where I'm gonna put this. But when John was cooking dinner, I was like, I have a great idea. And I just kind of did it while he was cooking, and I totally glamified, is that even a word, our walk-in closet. And our walk-in closet, we share a closet, which everyone joked when we moved out, is that going to be enough closet space for me? And we make it work. We definitely do. It's worth it. So John has one side of our closet and I have the other side. And I will say I do have a bonus shelf in there, but now I put my floor length mirror in there since I have two of them and one's right over there. I gotta share it with you guys. Now please do not judge because our closet's kind of messy, but there's the first one. That's where I take all my outfit of the day pictures, but I'm gonna share with you guys where the other one is. So our closet is right through the bathroom, and this is John's side, this is my side. So we have our gold shelf that we had to move when we got our new couch, but when you open the door, there is a nice floor length mirror. Now we never open this door. I put a little holiday sock on here so it doesn't nick the mirror, but I have to say I feel like that was pretty creative because I don't want to get rid of that mirror. I love it. We just don't have any wall space. So it kind of worked out perfectly. Probably won't ever take any mirror selfies in there for Instagram or anything, but when planning outfits, I love having a big mirror to like try things on, see how they fit without having to walk all the way to this one. I know I'm just kind of making it a positive right now. But that's where that mirror went. Just again, worked out so perfectly since I already had this desk. Literally switching this up has cost $10 for those drawer organizers, and I'm just so excited. But last night I stayed up till 2 a.m. John and I finished Stranger Things, and oh my gosh. So there's 4 seasons on Netflix right now, and the 5th one's coming out either next year or the year after, and we watched all 4 seasons in like 2 weeks. So good, scary. I shouldn't have stayed up late watching it last night, but it was so good. I just want to talk to someone about it, but I don't want to have any spoilers. I cried, I laughed. Can't wait for season 5. But if you guys have any show recommendations, let me know, because now I need something new to watch. So I'm trying to find something good. But I need to start editing tomorrow's video. So I think we're just gonna head over and edit. I'm cooking chicken in the crock pot for dinner. We're going to John's siblings' soccer games tonight. So it's just kind of a chill day, and I'm excited to bring you guys along with us. Once I get editing and kind of get in the flow and go check on the chicken, I'll bring you guys along with me. This cute little crock pot, and I put water and these little chicken broth cubes and some chicken in there, but we just pulled them out. We're gonna do tortillas, chicken wrapped, and then this is what the chicken turned out. It's like really shredded, nice chicken, and it's very moist. So that is our dinner tonight. Doesn't it look so good?
Oh, it looks amazing. I'm so excited.
Alright, you guys, it's been a while since I updated you, but dinner was really yummy.
It was delicious.
That was our first time ever making crock pot chicken. Would you do it again?
Oh, absolutely. I'd do it tomorrow.
Yeah, so we did 2 wraps each with chicken, and it was really filling. And then we headed out to the soccer game, and I forgot to update you guys, but I changed just because it's like 85 degrees.
It's hot.
It was really fun. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. And then we went through the post office, got a McDonald's Diet Coke, and we are back for the night. It's like 8 o'clock right now, so I'll show you guys what we're wearing. So I have on this blue top. This is from Vineyard Vines with some blue shorts. These are from Shein. They're like the Free People dupe. And then I just have on some white Nikes. My sunglasses are Amazon. They're super cheap, but they're so cute and was so sunny. And we both got a pair of shoes in the mail. Ooh. So John got these. They're black running shoes. I don't know what the name of them are.
They are the Revolution 5s.
So those are really cute. They'll be great for working out. And then I got these guys. I love them. I shared these on my Instagram story, and they have like the metallic little swoosh, and they are called the Women Run Swift 2. So those are our new shoes. We kind of got a deal, which is so awesome because we were both due for new athletic shoes. But I'm gonna be ending the vlog here because we're gonna go try on our shoes, and it's 8 o'clock. We're gonna call it a day. I need to get editing this video for daily videos. So definitely hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with my next new video. Bye guys.